Hi friends, I hope you guys are doing well, and this is Sadi. If you guys are new to my channel, then I would like to say that welcome and thank you for joining me. Today I'm gonna design this bottle in a simple old-fashioned way with vibrant colors. So first choose the primer. I had this primer in my storage for long and I'm using it. You can use homemade primers or any other if you want. It's for wet surface. It always apply the primer first. It helps the paint to stick on better. Let it dry properly and then add the paint. You will see that if you have a primer on, then you will have a better coverage. And then for the second coat, I use the sponge. You can see that how well it covers the bottle now. Once the paint is dry, draw your sketch. I just love drawing. It brings me back to my childhood and it's such a beautiful and simple sketch. And it's so much fun to paint. You can draw whatever you want. It's literally your canvas. Have fun painting. Don't worry if you stray from the lines. You will cover it with the outline paint. Once you are done, then let the paint dry properly and draw the outline. I found these nozzle bottles. They are so comfortable and easy to draw with. You can see that how beautifully they are drawing the outlines. Once your paint is dry completely, then add a thick coat of varnish to seal your paint. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, then I would love to hear from you guys in a comment section, and feel free to share it with your friends and family. Till next time, stay safe and stay happy. Bye bye.